One of our subscribers has posted a strategy in our comments section and asked if we can do a backtest on it. We love to test out new trading strategies suggested by our subscribers, and we are excited to share the best results with you. Join us in finding out how we backtest this strategy, improve it and optimize it for the maximum profit. Hello everyone and welcome to the Meta Exchange. We are excited to share with you one of the strategies requested in our comments section. The credit goes to FX Ninja for sharing this strategy in our comments section. In today's video, we will be going through this strategy and backtest it extensively to see how well it will perform in 2021. We will also share with you some ways that you can improve and optimize this strategy. Stay tuned. We have grouped the content into 5 informative sections for you. In the first section, we will explain the RSI Midline crossover strategy shared by FX Ninja. Next, we will use MetaTrader 5 to do a quick backtest of this strategy with our own coded expert advisor. In the third section, we will analyze and provide our findings on the strategy. We will also share with you our method of trading this strategy. In the fourth section, we will further improve this strategy by introducing entry filters. Last but not least, in the fifth section, we will be optimizing the improved version of the strategy. We will test which RSI period, overbought and oversold levels will give the best results. Stay tuned to find the best settings. We will be sharing profitable strategies and best settings on our YouTube videos. Remember to click the subscribe button and notification icon so that you will not miss out on it. First, let us go through the strategy that was shared in the comments section. The comment stated 2 indicators. These are the RSI 14 period and 200 EMA indicators. Next, we will add the midline onto our RSI indicator. This can be done on TradingView. And it can also be added on the MetaTrader. For a buy entry, first, the price needs to be above the 200 EMA line. Second, the RSI value needs to cross above the midline from below. Once this happens, we will enter a buy trade at the close of the candle. Similarly, for the sell trade, first the price needs to be below the 200 EMA line. Second, the RSI value needs to cross below the midline from above. Once this happens, we will enter a sell trade at the close of the candle. By now you should be familiar with the strategy. Let us test it out. In this section, we will be testing the RSI Midline crossover strategy on MetaTrader 5, and we will be sharing with you our findings from the results. The time frame for the backtest would be between 5 minutes to 4 hours. This would include time frames used by scalpers, day traders and also swing traders. We would also test different stop-loss levels, ranging from 10 pips to 50 pips with a 10 pips increment. This is to simulate the trades profile of a scalper, day and swing trader. Our risk-to-reward ratio will be ranging from 1 to 3 with an increment of 0.5. We have coded an expert advisor to help us with the backtest. We will use the data from the whole of 2021, using every tick based on real ticks. With the different settings mentioned before, we have a total of 125 trade settings. Let's start the expert advisor and we will let it run for a while. We have consolidated all the 125 trade settings results. In our previous videos, we shared that if we want to have a good strategy, we need to filter the expected payoff, profit factor and recovery factor to be above 1. And our equity drawdown should be below 10% to 20%. After filtering the results from the backtest, it seems that there were no profitable settings from the results. All the results either have high drawdown or the profit factor and recovery factor were below the level of 1. This shows that the current way of using the strategy is not recommended, as it might not be able to recover from losing trades. Well, does this mean that it is the end of our backtesting and this strategy is not usable? Definitely not. Let's see what we can do to improve the strategy in the next chapter. In the previous section, we noticed that the strategy has no profitable trades at all. But this does not stop us from finding new ways to improve this strategy. After reviewing the trade results on MetaTrader 5, we noticed that the strategy created many false entries, especially when the RSI value is ranging between the 50-level midline. We have decided to include another trade entry rule to reduce the number of false entries. We will enter a buy trade when the RSI value crosses above the midline, and only if it has previously entered and exited the oversold level. Similarly, we will enter a sell trade when the RSI value crosses below the midline, only if it has previously entered and exited the overbought level. This new requirement will help us filter out false entry trades when the RSI value is ranging between the 50-level midline. We have included this rule into our expert advisor and we let it run for the whole year of 2021. Are you interested to find out if this would improve the trading strategy? Stick around to find out. And if you are new to this channel, please tap the like button and follow us for more in-depth analysis of different trading strategies. We have consolidated a total of 500 different trade settings and we have filtered the results to get the best outcome. We are excited to share the result with you. Are you ready? Over here, we have our best trade settings for the RSI Midline Crossover Strategy. The best time frame to use this strategy is the 30 minutes time frame. The stop loss level is at 50 pips, and the risk to reward is at 1:3. This would mean that the take profit will be at 150 pips. There were a total of 43 trades executed in 2021. The equity drawdown is at 4.59%, which is relatively low. This trade setting has given us a total of 1352 profits in 2021. We have provided a summary table on the improved RSI Midline Crossover Strategy. We will wait for the RSI value to enter and exit the overbought or oversold level before entering a trade. Please feel free to pause the video and take note of these entry rules. Let's move on to the last part, which is to optimize the RSI indicator. We noticed that the RSI indicator has three main values to take note of. They are the RSI period value, the overbought level and the oversold level. Instead of using the default RSI 14 period, with overbought level at 70 and oversold level at 30. We want to optimize the indicator by introducing more period levels, more overbought levels and more oversold levels. We backtested the indicator with three different overbought and oversold level, the 90-10, the 80-20 and of course the default 70-30. Next, for the RSI period, instead of using the default 14, we will start with period 2, and end at period 30 with an increment of 2 period each time. We have a total of 5,625 different settings. Let us run the backtest and see which setting will give us the best result. While our expert advisor is running, if you are new to this channel, please tap the like button and follow us for more in-depth analysis of different trading strategies. Please also comment down below if there are any backtesting settings that you would like us to include. Here we have the best setting to achieve the most profitable result. From the result table below, we can see that the best result for the RSI mid-level crossover strategy is to use the same overbought and oversold level, which are 70 and 30 levels. As for the RSI period, the period 6 gave the best result. As for the risk to reward ratio, the best result is to keep it at 1:3 and the stop loss level to be at 50 pips. This would also mean that the take profit level will be at 150 pips. This optimized setting has helped us to achieve a total profit of 1872 pips for the whole of 2021. And there you have it. In this video, we have shared with you one of our subscribers' comments, using the RSI 50 mid-level as a trade entry. We have shared with you how we backtest this strategy and our observation using this strategy. We have also analyzed the results and share with you how you can improve this strategy with our methods. We have also shared with you the improvements made to the strategy and the results. Last but not least, we have also shared with you how we optimized the improved version of the strategy to achieve even more profits. We hope this video can give you some ideas on how to use the RSI mid-level crossover strategy. All we like to ask for is for you to kindly like, share and subscribe to our channel. You can greatly help us with the YouTube algorithm and motivate us to create more winning strategy videos. We are also excited to run the expert advisor on all 28 forex currency pairs with more timeframes and other risk to reward ratio permutation. We would like to hear your suggestions on how to improve our strategy. Please feel free to comment down below and share with us your thoughts. If you have a trading strategy that you would like us to backtest or to create an expert advisor from it, please email us at themetaexchange@gmail.com. Last but not least, don't forget to Click the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you. The Meta Exchange, signing off.